Digital marketing agencies are making it a lot these days. You learn how to run digital marketing, then you set up an agency to offer services to other people. E-commerce services are making it a lot these days. It's never been easier to import from China. You can bring in things and you just need you don't even need so much inventory. You just need an online marketplace. You sign up with a phone, and I've seen a lot of it up locally here. And a guy was interviewed. I saw the video. The guy, 24 years old, owns a yacht. And they asked him what he was doing, what he does for a living. He said he's into e-commerce, big time e-commerce. I said, okay. For how long? He said 4 years. I said, what's the revenue like? He said the previous year before that interview, the revenue was $32 million. So out of the $32 million, profit was $19 million in e-commerce. Now again, you have to study the climate very well. Jumia didn't make profit for a very long time, even though they're into e-commerce in Nigeria. So you have to study. I'm just giving you a lot of ideas, which is why you're going to be a business owner. Reading a lot has to be your thing. Hallelujah.